Today I'm bringing you crossbody bags. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for coming back. I'm Antonia from timpanies.com. Today you can shop all of the bags from the links in the description down below, or I can, where possible, link it in the video itself. And if they're not on an online store, just DM us on Instagram and we can try and sort you out if they haven't been sold. So guys, I get asked all the time for crossbody bags. I think a lot of my target demographic of customer, we serve mainly ladies, and they are busy women. They're running around town, they want a practical bag that's beautiful, is going to work hard, and they want something really stylish. So today I'm bringing you crossbody bags, and we're going to kick off with one of the most practical bags I think that I've had in, and this is the Celine Trio. This is the smaller version. You can actually get a bigger one as well. The reason this is so practical, other than the fact that you get 3 pockets, is the fact that you can take off the front, have that as a clutch, you can take off the back and either use those as pouches or whatever, and then you can have, it's not the most elegant looking thing, I'm not gonna lie, but if you wanted to, you could then use that on its own. It's just a single pouch. Super duper practical. It comes in a variety of different colors. I think it's a very chic, very simple, very elegant bag. If you're looking for something a little bit more potentially structured, but all day, every day for your work bag, you could definitely get a small laptop in here. This Victoria Beckham tulip bag is absolutely gorgeous. But in here you have got, let me show you the different ways you can wear it. You can most certainly just wear it in your hand down here or in the crook of your arm, but then it does come with this amazing crossbody strap as well, because to be honest, if you are running about town, it is so helpful just to be able to be hands-free like this. So you can most certainly wear it like that. And then not only does it wear very practically, but you also get a really pretty in-bag pouch that comes with it as well, so you can keep all your valuables and things like that in it. Let me show you the inside. So it just is lined in a suede, and it's a very practical, very chic bag. It's very stylish, but just as practical as well. Next up, I wanted to show you this really cute Gucci bag. Now, I think on the surface of it, this doesn't necessarily look that practical, but I think it's a lot more versatile than it actually looks to start off with, because I think actually wearing this all day over a really beautiful, I think over navy, it looks beautiful. I do actually think it goes quite well with a pop over almost any color, perhaps not if you color clash brights, but you can wear it crossbody, but you can also wear it just held in the hand like that, or even like so for an event or for a wedding. So not only can you wear it all day, but you can also then take it out into the evening as well. Now the crossbody strap does detach, and let me show you how you open it, because what they've done is very clever. They haven't really put any more compartments than they need to inside, so you just get one big space in the middle. You'd easily get your mobile, a wallet and some makeup in there, all you really need for all day. And also the fact is, it's not quite a patent, but it's a very hard wearing leather, so as long as you're not scratching stuff against it, it's actually going to wear really, really well. So yeah, it's actually a lot more practical than you think, this Gucci bag. Next up, I wanted to talk about this Saint Laurent. This, again, it's got those multi-wear options. This is what I think handbag designers have realised, is that people want things that they can wear in different ways, because if you're spending £1,500 on a handbag, you don't want to be just kind of wearing it for one small occasion. So you don't want to just use it for work, day, night. You want to use it for all of the occasions that you find yourself in. Now let me take out the stuffing. And my only comment for this bag is there is no true zip compartment, and that does bother me a little bit if I'm running around London. So that would be my only negative. I absolutely love the structure of it. I think, again, it's in a really nice hard wearing leather, and I absolutely love the fact that you can wear it in multiple different ways. So crossbody, I am 5'3", so just so you know for reference, and then you can also wear it like so in the hand. I think, again, don't shy away from colour. I think people often think, can a bright bag be practical? Should I opt for black? And then you end up only buying black. And actually, yes, it goes with so much. What I'd recommend is that you buy a cheaper bag in the same color and see how easy it is to wear and see how you get on. If it goes well, then invest in something a little bit more punchy. Next up, we're going to talk about this box bag from Celine, and this is, I always am fascinated by how much you can get in these. They absolutely do carry so much. You can easily get in there everything you need for all day. Again, this is probably one you could just about get away with wearing at an event because it is quite dressy being in the python and having that gold hardware. Again, it's going to go with everything. It's a neutral colour. It's a nice option other than black. And this one, let me show you. So I've got it on the longest setting and you can easily wear it crossbody like so. And then the great thing is about these bags is you've got the option to then shorten the strap, which I will do. And you can then, once you've shortened the strap, you can then easily wear it on the shoulder as well. So it does give you those two options for how you choose to wear it. You're not obviously getting a laptop or anything like that in it, but it is most certainly really practical for all day and small enough to carry stuff for the evening. And my only comment on whether this would be the most practical option is the fact that the skin is slightly delicate. Perhaps you might want to opt for a leather. We also have one in leather as well, which I will link below for you. We could actually also have a little look at some of these classic Chanels. So we've got a classic medium here and again a large boy. Now if I put these on, you can see they don't quite, well actually I think the boy probably does just about work crossbody there. The medium sits slightly high. You can get extra links to put into these to make them slightly longer. But it's just interesting for you to sort of compare and contrast and see actually how practical they are. In terms of the size though, they are almost perfect. I would say for me, especially the medium size, I absolutely love it. And look, I'm sorry, but a bright red bag, again, almost any colour is just such a beautiful option. But you really do get a lot in it. And they are a lot more practical than people realise. They're perfect for all day, but again, really great for the evening. And the boys, let's have a look. There you go, look how much you absolutely can get in there. You are not going to be struggling for what you're carrying in these bags at all. And the final very practical bag is by Herrera, and this is so practical because not only is it really sturdy and crossbody, it's a great everyday kind of almost bash around bag. It's just really chunky, really hard wearing, absolutely love it. You can lengthen or shorten this strap to whatever length you want. So if you did want to wear it a lot shorter on the shoulder, you most certainly could. But you've also got 3 different colour options. You've got this brighter red, you've got this darker red, and then the very clever thing about this bag is you can then flip it over and you're wearing it as a black bag in the winter. So if you're slightly scared of buying a red bag, it could be a great little starter kit for you. And not only that, but you've also got those 2 huge zip compartments, which you can pretty much get everything you need in. Really great mummy bag, this one. So guys, I think that is summing up my crossbody bag special for you. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below with your favourite one and let me know what sort of bags you want to have a look at, and I'll make sure that I show you, I can share what we have in store with you. And you get 10% off your first order on our website with code NEWCUSTOMER10. Guys, have a safe and wonderful week and I'll see you next time. Bye!